Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I have the Walmart beauty box. I already cut the plastic off of it because I didn't want to take up time doing it. Hey everyone, I forgot to mention that the Walmart beauty box is $5, that's shipping and everything. And it is a seasonal box, so fall, winter, spring, and summer. Open it and this is what it looks like. On the inside it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. And this is the winter one. And this is just on the back saying, take a survey and possibly win a $100 gift card. This first thing is by Curel. Dermatologist test it, dry skin therapy, Hydra Silk Moisturizer. Then we have this Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. And then we got a Color Club nail polish, and this is in It's Complicated, really like this. And then there's this NYX Professional Makeup Crew. Looks like this. And this is to lip products. Go ahead and swatch them. They are not sure which colors. Here they are. Swatching this one first. And this is a soft matte metallic lip cream, and here it is. Pretty. And Tigger is wanting to get in the way. And this one is a soft matte lip cream, not a metallic one. And here is that one. And then it just has a little advertisement thing here. These are new. They say removes 10 years of yellow stains. And then we have these oil packets of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoo and conditioner. And here is a little thing from NYX. And this just talks about it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a great day.